It's the bee's favorite. Lindsay, look at that. Oh my god, look, they're all three there. Three bees and a flower and a there's another one. Oh, it's bee's favorite, this flower, and I don't know the name. It's just so amazing. Look, obviously bee's favorite. Hundreds of them. Wow. Look. Wow. Huh. Hundreds. Beautiful.